Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Tuesday, the 13th of January. Let's get to that weather wisdom for today. Temperatures in the upper 20s and low 30s this morning. Not that cold for January. We've got some clouds increasing. Temperatures in the mid 40s this afternoon. Southwest breeze is light. Those winds yesterday really did slacken a bit. And I don't know if you caught the sunset. It was absolutely gorgeous yesterday. It really felt a little bit like the next season. Here we are on the 13th, so we've got 13 days after the solstice in January, add another 10 in December, so we're now 23 days, so just over 3 weeks past the weakest sun of the year. That begins to make a tiny bit of difference. It's not a lot, but it's a little bit. We're now getting back towards the last final days of November. So this week we'll get to the final days of November post-Thanksgiving in terms of our strength of the sun, and it only gets a little bit stronger from here, obviously. Temperatures tonight will stay in the 30s. There might be a little shower as a warm front moves through. Tomorrow we're 45 to 50. Lots of sunshine is not going to be the case. We're actually going to have a lot of clouds, in spite of the fact the warm front has moved by. We could see a little bit of sun. We also could see a shower. Wednesday night, chance of a shower, down to the 30s. Thursday, colder air starts to work in. Winds flip around to the west. We're 40 to 45. So the peak of the warmth is definitely Wednesday. There might be a little snow shower Thursday night with the colder air, and then we're back towards the upper teens to near 20 when you get up on Friday morning, and we stay near 30. What about a storm? Meh. I don't see anything really of consequence right now. I think that there could be some rain or snow showers here as that trough of low pressure develops over us over the weekend, but I don't see any big nor'easters or anything like that. The way it looks now doesn't mean it can't change, but there's nothing at this point to get excited about. Except it's going to be mild if you don't like cold weather. Have a great day, everybody.